Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus. I'm here at 215 Harrison Street, Unit 2, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This is a second floor, 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom, updated, renovated unit. And you'll be able to tell right away with the new coat of paint, new flooring, renovated kitchen, and renovated bathroom, all set up and ready to go. So, of course, we're going to start our walkthrough right in the kitchen area. Kitchen area does house the entryway to your unit. And again, right as you look at the kitchen area, you can tell it's been recently renovated. This includes a new tile flooring throughout this kitchen area, newer cabinets below and above all the appliances. You also have a new granite countertop, and of course, the newer stainless steel appliances. This includes the stainless steel stove and oven. It's a glass top stove. You also have the stainless steel microwave right up above, the large single bin stainless steel sink, and the newer stainless steel refrigerator. Awesome. And yeah, like I said, completely hooked up in here. Looks fantastic. On the opposite side, you have this living room / dining room, depending on how you like to use it, of course. If used as a dining room, you got plenty of room for any size dining set. If used as a living area, a good amount of room for some pieces of furniture. As you can see, it houses a new laminate wood flooring. This continues into all 4 bedrooms. And once again, the new paint job looks fantastic. It's very clean, very well done. Lots of windows in here too to let in lots of sunshine. And another note, you do also have electric baseboard heat throughout this unit too. All right, let's check out the 2 bedrooms on the first floor. So you do have a second floor. It does house the last 2 bedrooms we'll be looking at, but these are the 2 bedrooms on the first floor. So here's the first one. Good amount of space for a standard or full bed set, but once again, fresh paint, new laminate wood flooring, all hooked up. Right through that doorway over there is the second bedroom. So just be aware these 2 bedrooms are connected. To get to the second bedroom, you will have to go through the first bedroom. Okay, here's the second bedroom. It's got its own closet space right over here. And again, these 2 bedrooms on the first floor would probably be able to fit a standard and full bed set. The 2 bedrooms on the second floor, they're a little bit smaller, so I'd probably just stick with standard bed set for those. Okay, so that is the second bedroom. Now let's check out the bathroom, and then we'll go upstairs to check out the last 2 bedrooms. All right. So the bathroom, just like the kitchen, has been recently renovated, updated. New tile flooring, fresh new paint. You have a beautiful, newer, updated stand-up shower. And you also have this newer sink setup, some cabinets underneath for some storage, along with a large mirror right up above. Great. All right. Last but not least is going upstairs to the 3rd and 4th bedrooms. So, this is the bedroom right in front of the stairway. And again, these bedrooms are a little bit smaller, and they do house slanted ceilings, so just be aware of that. Again, good for maybe a standard size bed set. Probably wouldn't go any larger, just due to the account of the slanted ceilings. Okay, that's the 3rd bedroom. Let's go check out the 4th. Which is right across the way. And again, slanted ceiling, so I would probably just stick with a standard size bed set in here. Perfect. All right. So, once again, this is 215 Harrison Street, Unit 2, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have posted on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.